Hello, students. Today we will be studying a new lesson. This lesson has been divided into part 1 and part 2. We shall be dealing with part 1 today. The name of the lesson is The Necklace. The Necklace is written by Guy de Maupassant. He is regarded as the father of modern short stories and has written about 300 short stories. Let us see what this story tells us. Long time ago, one of the most pretty and charming girl was born. Her name was Mathilda. Her grace and beauty was so great that she was meant to live a luxurious life, wearing beautiful clothes and expensive jewelry and residing in a big mansion. She could have easily been taken as a great lady of great wealth, but it seemed that fate played a trick on her and she was born into a poor family. मिटिल्डा बहुत ही सुंदर थी और उसके बहुत बड़े बड़े सपने थे। वो एक अच्छे घर में पैदा होना चाहती थी, वो अच्छे कपड़े पहनना चाहती थी, बड़े मैंशन में रहना चाहती थी, पैलेस में रहना चाहती थी, एक्सपेंसिव ज्वेलरी पहनना चाहती थी, मगर किस्मत ने उसका साथ नहीं दिया। वो एक गरीब परिवार में पैदा हुई। They had no dowry for her. She married to a minor clerk, Losale, who worked in the Ministry of Education. Madame Losale, as she came to be called as, she was very unhappy with her life. She believed though she was born beautiful and clever, but she suffered and cursed her fate by not making her born in a rich family, and she had to marry a richer one, but then her fate, because of her fate, she had to marry a minor clerk. She imagined vast saloons decorated with antique skills, exquisite pieces of furniture, but she had all the opposite, poorly and shabby furnished house. Even dreamt of priceless ornaments and a big house, a big room where she could give big parties to her friends. Madame Losale had no fine clothes, no jewels, nothing. उसने जैसा भी अच्छा सोचा अपने लिए वैसे कोई भी चीज़ें उसके पास नहीं थी, ना अच्छे कपड़े ना अच्छी ज्वेलरी. She dressed plainly because she had never been able to afford anything better. She suffered endlessly, and these were the only things she loved. She had a rich friend, but she never liked to visit her because she used to feel very sad after meeting her, and she would cry in regret because she felt sad after meeting her as she wasn't rich like her. One day, one evening, her husband came home with an exultant air, holding an envelope in his hand, and she swiftly tore the paper and drew out a printed card on which the following things were written. The Minister of Education and Madame Rapinoe request the pleasure of the company of Monsieur and Madame Losale at the ministry on the evening of Monday, January 18th. Instead of being happy and delighted that they got the invitation, she flung the invitation across the table and threw it and started murmuring. एक दिन जब उसके हस्बैंड एक इनविटेशन कार्ड लेकर आए उनकी ऑफिस की तरफ से, मिथिल्डा खुश होने के बजाय बहुत ही नाराज़ हुई और उसने वो लेटर फेंक दिया. He asked her, "Why, darling? I thought you would be pleased. You never go out, and this is a great occasion." उन्होंने उससे कहा कि मुझे लगा था तुम तो बहुत खुश हो गई क्योंकि ये इनविटेशन कार्ड देखकर हम बाहर जाते, तुम्हें बाहर जाना पसंद है, मगर तुम तो बहुत ही गुस्सा हो गई हो. She looked at him out of furious eyes and said, "And what do you suppose I am I am to wear at such an affair?" वो गुस्सा इसीलिए हुई थी क्योंकि उसके पास अच्छे कपड़े नहीं थे और वो अपने हस्बैंड को पूछने लगी कि मैं क्या पहन के जाऊंगी. Why, the dress you go to the theater in, it looks very nice. उन्होंने कहा कि जो तुम ड्रेस थिएटर में पहन के जाती हो वो बहुत ही अच्छा है, क्यों ना तुम वही पहन के जाओ. मैडम लोसेल स्टार्टेड टू क्राई. वो बहुत ही सैड हो गई और रोने लगी. She said, "I can't go to this party as I don't have anything to wear." उसके हस्बैंड बहुत ही अपसेट हो गए. He asked, "How much would a nice but simple dress cost?" कि उन्होंने पूछा कि क्या तुम नया ड्रेस लोगी तो कितने पैसे में आ जाएगा. She thought for several seconds, thinking, हाउ मच मनी शी कुड मेक हर हस्बैंड गिव हर। वो सोचने लगी कि कितने पैसे वो अपने हस्बैंड से ले सकती है। And without refusing him, at last she replied, I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs. He grew slightly pale, for this was exactly the amount he had been saving for a gun. वो बहुत ही 2 मिनट के लिए चौकन्ना हो गए, शांत हो गए और वो सोचने लगे कि ये तो एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट उन्होंने जमा किया है बिकॉज वो अपने लिए एक गन खरीदना चाहते थे। Nevertheless, he said, very well, I will give you 400 francs. और उन्होंने उसे 400 francs देने के लिए एग्री कर लिया। The day of the party drew near and Madame Loisel was anxious. जैसे ही दिन नज़दीक आया वो और ही एंशियस हो गई, टेंशन में और सोच विचार करने लगी। What's the matter with you? You have been behaving very oddly. उनके हस्बैंड जब ऑफिस से आए तो उन्होंने इसे देखा और पूछा, क्या बात है, तुम बहुत ही अजीब बिहेव कर रही हो। I am utterly miserable because I don't have any jewelry to wear on it. How stupid you are, exclaimed her husband. Go and see Madame Forestier, your friend, and borrow from her. Next day, she went to see her friend and told her friend about her trouble. वो दूसरे ही दिन अपनी फ्रेंड मैडम फॉरेस्टियर जो उसकी रिच फ्रेंड थी उसके घर चली गई एंड उसने अपनी बात उसे बताई कि वो उससे ज्वेलरी बोरो करना चाहती है। मैडम फॉरेस्टियर took Matilda to her dressing room and said, "Choose, my dear." Madame Loisel finally chose the superb diamond necklace with her matching with her gown. उसने एक सुंदर सा नेकलेस सिलेक्ट किया जो उसकी ड्रेस के साथ मैचिंग था। She was the center of attraction at the party. Everyone noticed her. सबको उसका ड्रेस और उसका नेकलेस बहुत पसंद आया। All men wanted to dance with her. All the ladies praised her. She received many compliments. Madame Loisel felt very happy about this and she was very thankful for the first time in her life. वो बहुत ही खुश थी लेकिन वो खुशी ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं टिकी। When they reached home, she discovered that the borrowed diamond necklace was missing. वो जैसे ही घर पहुंची और उसने एक फाइनल लुक मिरर में लिया और वो देख के बहुत ही शॉक हो गई कि उसका डायमंड नेकलेस जो बोरो किया था उसकी फ्रेंड से वो मिसिंग था। They looked everywhere but could not find it. वो डायमंड नेकलेस कहाँ गुमा, कैसे गुमा, मिथिल्डा को कुछ भी याद नहीं था और पता ही नहीं था। Children, this was end of part 1. In the next class, we shall do part 2 and see what happened further. Till then, children, I would request you to please read page number 18, the necklace part 1 lesson, and try to understand.